Hey friends, Irene Lyon here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and being here. I'm going to date this video. If you're watching it when it's fresh, it is Monday, March 2nd, I should say, March 2nd, 2020. And it's kind of like the beginning of school for me and my company because we have just started my online program, Smart Body, Smart Mind. So we only run this once a year and we closed enrollment yesterday and we're in now for kind of our university semester of learning how to, or teaching people, I should say, how to become their own medicine and apprentices of their nervous system. We will run again in 2021. So be sure to check that out. Get on the wait list if you haven't already. So I wanted to just say thank you for being here. And you may have noticed if you've been following me and watching these uploads that I've been putting up a lot of long form Q&As. These were done on my Facebook page, and then we've put them over onto YouTube so you can take in the education and information. A lot of them are questions around my program, Smart Body, Smart Mind, and these questions end up being long forms of education around the nervous system and healing trauma. So I encourage you to check them out. And what's cool is we've time-stamped all of them. And what that means is if you go to the show more section within these videos, and I'll post some of them below in the playlist where you can find them, what you'll find are these topics with a time, and you just click on the topic that interests you and it takes you to the exact moment in time where I talk about that specific question. So be sure to check that out. The other thing I wanted to ask all of you, what are your questions? Do you have a question for me around healing trauma and the nervous system and neuroplasticity? If you do, let me know in the comments below and we will get those questions and maybe one of them will become a video in the future. For now, thank you for being here. Thanks for showing up and learning. This stuff is not typical, right? This is not something that we used to talk about even 5 years ago, 10 years ago, certainly not when our parents were my age and growing up. We know now that we have to learn about our nervous system, about how stress gets trapped in our physiology. It impacts our physical systems, our mental health, our relational health, and how we see the world around us. So I believe that what we're doing here and what you're learning by being a part of this channel and subscribed to it, it means that we're just upping the bar and getting more educated globally around this topic. So keep it up, keep showing up, keep learning, keep watching, and we will see you next week with a brand new video. Bye for now.